Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Have you ever wondered what articles of incorporation are and why they are so important? Well, let's dive right into it. The Articles of Incorporation, also known as the Certificate of Incorporation or Corporate Charter, are a set of documents that legally establish a company as a corporation under the laws of the state. It's like a birth certificate for your business, providing the necessary legal foundation for your corporation's existence. They're crucial because they outline the fundamental characteristics of your corporation, such as the name, purpose, and structure. They also serve as a record that your business has met the state requirements for incorporation, providing legitimacy and protection under the law. So, whether you're creating a small business or a multinational corporation, the Articles of Incorporation are the first step in your entrepreneurial journey, setting the stage for your corporate narrative. Now that you know what Articles of Incorporation are, let's move on to how you can get your own. So, you know you need Articles of Incorporation, but what exactly should they contain? Well, let's demystify this together, shall we? The Articles of Incorporation, also known as the Certificate of Incorporation, is a document that establishes the formation of your corporation. It's like the birth certificate of your business, but it's not just a piece of paper. It's a comprehensive document with several key elements. First, there's the business name and address. This is the official name of your corporation, the one that will appear on all your legal documents, contracts, and dealings. The address should be the principal location of your business, where all official correspondence can be sent. Next up is the purpose of the business. This is a straightforward description of what your corporation aims to do. For example, if you're starting a tech company, your purpose might be to develop and sell software solutions. Then comes the number and types of shares of stock. This section outlines the total number of shares that the corporation is authorized to issue. It also specifies if there are different types of shares, like common or preferred stock. Remember, each share represents a piece of ownership in the corporation, so this is a critical component. Finally, we have the details of the incorporator. The incorporator is the person or entity that prepares and files the Articles of Incorporation. This section should include their name, address, and signature. So, to recap, your Articles of Incorporation should include your business name and address, purpose of the business, number and types of shares, and the incorporator's details. And there you have it. This might seem like a lot, but don't worry. It's all part of the process of setting up a solid foundation for your corporation. Remember, these details will help define your corporation's identity and structure, providing clarity to potential investors, stakeholders, and the state. With these components in mind, you're ready to begin the process of obtaining your Articles of Incorporation. Ready to get your Articles of Incorporation? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose a unique business name. This name should not be in use by another corporation in your state. Many states provide a name search tool on their Secretary of State website for your convenience. Remember, your chosen business name must usually include a corporate designator such as Incorporated, Corporation, or an abbreviation of these words. Step 2 is defining your business purpose. This is a brief statement explaining why your corporation exists. Some states require an in-depth explanation, while others accept a broad and general purpose. To avoid any potential issues, it's best to check the requirements in your particular state. Moving on to step 3, you'll need to determine the number and types of shares of stock your corporation will be authorized to issue. This is a critical step, as it defines the ownership structure of your corporation. Consider consulting with a business or legal advisor to help you make informed decisions about your corporate structure. Step 4 involves providing the incorporator's details. The incorporator is the individual or business entity responsible for executing the Articles of Incorporation. In most cases, the incorporator's role ends once the articles are filed and the corporation is officially formed. You'll need to provide the name and address of the incorporator in your Articles of Incorporation. Now we're at step 5, which is to comply with state-specific laws and regulations. Each state has unique requirements for incorporating a business. These may include appointing a registered agent, drafting bylaws, or paying specific filing fees. Research your state's requirements thoroughly to ensure you're in compliance. Finally, step 6. File your Articles of Incorporation with the appropriate state agency, typically the Secretary of State. This can usually be done online or by mail. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, which varies by state. Once you've filed, you'll receive a confirmation, typically by mail, that your corporation has been officially formed. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting your Articles of Incorporation. Remember, this process may seem daunting, but it's a necessary step in establishing your business as a legal entity. By following these steps, you're setting your business up for success by creating a solid foundation. Be sure to take your time, do your research, and consult with professionals when needed. After all, the future of your business is at stake, and it's worth the effort to get it right. Lastly, always keep in mind that the Articles of Incorporation is a living document that can be amended as your business grows and changes. So don't worry if you don't have all the answers right now. The important thing is to get started, and you can always make adjustments down the line. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting your Articles of Incorporation. You've got your Articles of Incorporation ready. Now, how do you file them? Well, you've come to the right place to find out. Filing your Articles of Incorporation is a crucial step in making your business official. It's like your corporation's birth certificate, legitimizing its existence in the eyes of the law. And the process isn't as daunting as it sounds. To begin with, you need to know where to file your documents. In most cases, this will be with the Secretary of State's office in the state where you plan to incorporate your business. Some states may have a different designated office, so be sure to check the specific requirements of your state. Once you have identified the appropriate office, the next step is to submit your Articles of Incorporation. Some states allow you to do this online, others require you to mail in the documents, while some offer both options. Choose the method that works best for you. Now let's talk about fees. The cost to file your Articles of Incorporation varies from state to state. It can range from as little as $50 to several $100s. This is a one-time fee, so it's worth budgeting for. After submitting your documents and paying the filing fee, you might wonder, how long until I hear back? The turnaround time also varies by state. It can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks for your filing to be processed. Some states offer expedited processing for an additional fee. Remember, until your Articles of Incorporation are officially filed and accepted, your corporation does not legally exist. So, it's crucial to ensure that your documents are complete, accurate, and submitted correctly. Here's a tip. Keep a copy of your filed Articles of Incorporation. You'll need it for many things, like opening a bank account for your corporation or filing for tax-exempt status. With your Articles of Incorporation filed, you're on your way to officially establishing your corporation. And with that, you've taken a significant step towards turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Remember, getting your Articles of Incorporation is a crucial step in forming your corporation. Don't delay, start the process today.